Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. First of all, my introduction. My name is Fluently. I'm from standard 9th. My school name is RJ English High School. As well as I'm a student of Step by Step English Academy. I had to become army officer in my life and English confident till 27 July 2023. So guys, today I will tell you my challenges I have before joining the class, and now I am doing these things, and now I become so much powerful in that. So I have challenge of that confidence. I don't have any confidence to talk. I fear so much. I don't know why, but that fear is fit in my mind and brain also. I think that only one question came in my mind, that if I will speak now, so someone will laugh or insult me. They will taunt me, stare me continuously. Like that, I fear so much. That fear fit in my mind, and that question also I told you. And then I joined this step by step class. Then I learn all things step by step, like how to make videos. First, when I was making my first video, so that time that was very not that much perfect, but okay, that video was okay. And first time I was not first time that I was not prepare my background. My background voice is so much coming, that fan is so on, that fan's voice is coming, my family's member voice is coming, so that much problem were there in my first video. Then continuously by step, so I learn how to go on Facebook live, then do this, then I follow this all things now consistently. Not even a single day I have stopped, and now I have completed my 30 assignment. And that is very proud on me, that I have completed 30 assignment, public assignment, conversation, offline interviews, like that I have completed 30 times. And that is very much powerful for me, and I become so much confidence now. I can talk fluently in front of anyone. Someone will there now, like chief guest and all the people. I will talk fluently because I have got so much confidence. I have done this, that, so much I have done so much I have done this videos consistently. Because of that, I have become I have got so much confidence. And this is my today's topic, and thank you to be with me till end. Thank you so much.